Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld down at 1650 today, Saturday, second last day of opening of the ski season, and today we have a contest, which is the water slide contest. So let's go and check this one out. Hopefully I can get around the music. Last year they did this, first time they did it last year, and they had it down the bottom here, but it was a flat landing. I gather this time round they're doing it up here so that they get an angled landing. They're going to get more stunts off the jump piece here. So have a little look, see what the water's like. Last year they had to de-ice it. Bonjour. And this is what we've got set up here. The run-in, the water slide, you can either go off the left side there or do some stunts and stuff off the right there. So judges will be sitting here.
Bonjour Sylvie.
And here we go. Bonjour.
Ça va Max?
Ça bien, et toi? So this is now what? Just coming up for past. There's a practice session beforehand. And yeah, they can start from any point they want up here behind the red fencing, this side of it, all nicely prepared up. Looks pretty soft, but that's what you want when you're doing stuff like this. So I'm going to have a closer look at the water down here, which can be topped up, and it probably will need to be topped up as it goes, because water will be splashing about all over the shop. So do a quick temperature check. It's absolutely freezing. Beautiful day today as well. Just a quick look round. As I say, this music, I'm going to have to watch what I'm doing. But yeah, due to kick off soon, practicing and all sorts. I think I'll go and get myself a red coffee.
Allez, bonjour Les-Orres. On vous rappelle le water slide, pensez à vous inscrire. Ça se passe au niveau de la place aux Doules ou directement près du water slide au niveau de la porte des Orres.
With Steve in the background.
Toujours la braverie des commerçants de
correct attire for the event.
L'expression libre, les grands jeux en bois. Le water slide dès 14h. Les concert de Kumsa suivi du DJ.
Here's another way of doing it. Bonjour.
Bonne journée, bonne fin.
As I mentioned, the snow's pretty mushy, even watery. Quick test. And today we have 1:30, 6th of April, 22 degrees. Wow, it's warm. So I got a lift down from a friend of mine. Decided not to take the car so that I'm open to have a beer or two or whatever. I can always walk, stroke, stagger home again. So end of season, cheers. Oh, so good when it's so warm. This starts with a long, soft, deep walk up, and sometimes with a bit of assistance. Yeah, long walk up and then a quick ski down. Say hi to the judges. Salut les juges. Ça va? Vous êtes d'accord sur la vidéo? Oui, place publique. Bonjour, bonjour.
Oh, mais c'est les mêmes que la dimanche.
Just a little one.
Yeah.
Hey! Salut, ça va? Oui. J'ai le GoPro avec. Here comes my GoPro White. It's local beer and it's very good. Okay, we're on a pause here, just repairing some stuff. Bit of a queue after the pause, so I reckon they're going to come down pretty rapid style, well apart from individually, but one after the other pretty quick. So let's go and see what these guys are doing. Some of them are pretty spectacular. Bit of a crowd building up too. Get the footing right. I've got to keep the cable on. I'll explain why in a future video.
Go! Let's go!
Le 56 et le 59.
aussi.
Vas-y.
Attends, vas-y, ça filme.
Allez, allez, vas-y.
Ouais, ça tourne, ça filme.
Allez, garçon. Allez. Hop, hop, hop. Allez, tout le monde.
Et ouais, maman. Ah merde. T'as assez de speed. Non, mais pas. Ok. Ah, je monte. Eh, merci.
Regarder si tu veux.
Ah, vas-y, t'inquiète.